Hello guys, today we're gonna graft this moon cactus. This is actually a Gymnocalcium Mihanovici inermis. I'm gonna show you how it will look like after a year at the end of this video. So please stick around. I'm gonna choose this pup because it's almost an inch. The bigger the better. So I'm gonna choose this one. When grafting, it is very important to sterilize the blade you're using to avoid any fungus or other types of infection that will cause your plant to rot. I'm using a 70% solution alcohol here, but you can also use fire or heat to sterilize your blade. Chamfer the edges. This is very important to ensure the contact between scion and rootstock is 100%. Even if the rootstock is already big, these side edges won't get in the way or won't push the scion out of the rootstock. So chamfering is very important. Cut as flat as possible and with just one stroke. So if you missed it, just do it again. As long as you have the 3/4 of the scion, it will still work. Vascular ring of the scion and vascular ring of the rootstock should match, so they should align. It's been a year since I have recorded the grafting of this video, and I want to show you the exact plant, same plant after a year, so please stand by. I'll show you at the end of this video. I love using Scotch tape better than other tapes because it's very easy to remove. It will not cause damage to your rootstock or to your scion once you removed it after a week or two. So when putting the tape on, you need to press it down a little bit so the contact between scion and rootstock is 100% flat. No air should be able to get in between, so both scion and rootstock will heal as one. So now I'm gonna place this in a spot where there is no direct sunlight, and after a week or two I'm gonna remove the tape. Then let's see how it will look after a year. This is exactly the same plant. As you can see, the scar on the rootstock, it's still there. This is exactly the same plant after a year, so you have an idea how fast it grows after a year. This video is 1 year in the making, so if you like these types of video, please let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See ya.